Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your Mac. First of all, open your browser and visit roblox.com and log in using your credentials. Once done, head over to the game that you want to play. For example, let's play Big Paintball 2. Click on the play button and you will see this dialog box. Roblox is getting ready. Next, you will see this dialog box. Check the box for this and click open. In the next dialog box, click on the download Roblox button. Now this will start configuring the Roblox for your Mac. Once everything is done, the game will start and you can play it. Make sure during the process, your Mac is connected to internet connection. I hope this helps, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.